Today, I'm building a self-sustaining rainforest inside this glass box. Right now, there's nothing inside, but in 30 days, this will become a living ecosystem. I started with a natural drainage layer. Small stones help control moisture. Then I added nutrient-rich soil. This will help plants grow naturally. Next, I planted small rainforest plants. Moss helps keep humidity inside. I added moisture to start the rain cycle, and something started happening immediately. A natural water cycle was forming. I introduced a small, peaceful snail. It slowly explored its new world. Micro-life began to appear. Day 1. Everything looked peaceful. The ecosystem started adjusting. Natural sunlight powered the growth, and plants slowly started growing. By day 5, life was expanding. Plants were adapting to their new environment. The snail continued exploring peacefully. Humidity started building naturally. New growth appeared everywhere. By day 7, it looked completely different. I stopped interfering and let nature work. The soil remained perfectly moist. Micro creatures kept the ecosystem balanced. Natural light powered everything. And the rainforest kept growing. By day 10, it was thriving. The snail helped recycle plant matter. Moss spread across the ground. The water cycle continued naturally. Nature was doing everything on its own. The rainforest became denser. Life was expanding fast. Halfway through, it looked alive. The ecosystem felt perfectly balanced. Every detail looked like a real rainforest. The rainforest was becoming dense. New plants started appearing naturally. The snail adapted to its growing home. The natural rain cycle continued. By day 20, it looked like a jungle. Sunlight kept powering the ecosystem. Everything felt natural and alive. Moss spread across the ground. Micro-life helped maintain balance. The rainforest reached new heights. Day 25, it was thriving. Life continued peacefully. Humidity stayed perfect. I couldn't believe the transformation. It looked like a real rainforest. Nature built itself. Day 30, final result. The ecosystem became fully alive. Everything worked in harmony. This tiny world survived on its own. After 30 days, this glass box became a rainforest. Plants grew naturally without intervention. The ecosystem stayed peaceful and balanced. The natural water cycle continued. Everything worked perfectly together. The soil remained rich and alive. Sunlight powered the entire system. It looked like a real rainforest, and I barely touched it. Nature built everything on its own. This tiny world became alive, and anyone can build one, even inside your own room. This is the power of nature. Subscribe to watch me build bigger ecosystems next.